equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These will help you safely and effectively open your laptop without causing any damage. First, power down your HP 15BW025NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power surges during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the center of the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Before proceeding, it's essential to ground yourself to prevent static electricity from damaging the components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery at your home service can make this process hassle-free. Now, to remove the existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module outward. The RAM should pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out carefully. Take note of the orientation of the RAM module, as you'll need to insert the new one in the same way. Insert the new RAM module into the slot at the same angle, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Press down firmly until the clips click back into place, securing the RAM. If you're unsure about the specifications of the RAM you need, we can provide a quote before repair to help you make the right choice. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. Finally, reconnect the battery and power up your laptop. Check the system properties to ensure that the new RAM is recognized and functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, with our no calls, no travel service, we are here to help you every step of the way. Congratulations on successfully upgrading your HP 15BW025NS. Enjoy the enhanced performance and speed that comes with your new RAM. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.